If you flip thrift store finds and estate sale scores across eBay, Poshmark, Mercari, and more, here's the question that's surprisingly hard to answer. What did each flip actually make? Not the sale price. The real profit, after every fee, the shipping, and the cost of goods. This workbook answers it. It starts with a number no marketplace report knows. What an item truly cost you. Not just the price on the thrift store tag, but the supplies to pack it, and a fair share of the gas you burn sourcing it. Add those up, and a $4 fine stops looking like free money. It starts telling the truth. The inventory and profit log is the heart of it. 1 row per item from the day you buy it to the day it sells. You enter what it cost and what it sold for, and the workbook applies the right platform fee, subtracts the shipping and any refund, and shows the true net profit and return on every single flip. And those sourcing miles? The sourcing trip log turns them into a real cost of goods. Log a thrift store loop or an estate sale run, and it values the drive and splits it across the items you kept. A per-item figure that drops straight into your inventory. After a few dozen sales, the Performance tab tells you what your gut can't. Which platforms net the most after they're cut, and which categories actually pay. So your next sourcing trip and your next listing hour go where the money really is. The dashboard rolls it all up. Active inventory, sell-through, and your true net profit. And when tax time comes, the built-in 1099K reconciliation puts your cost of goods against the gross, the platform's report. So you pay tax on profit, not on the total. It's not just a spreadsheet. 4 plain language guides walk you through cost of goods, pricing against the fees and the taxes, plus printable sheets for the sourcing run and the packing table. It works in Excel, Google Sheets, and LibreOffice. And the Sheets version is 1 click, no importing. You own the file, there's no subscription and no per-seat app. Find it on Ardent Workshop and start knowing what every flip really made.